Yep, it's about the community. MHQ has established a really good community here. We're all very like-minded, which is excellent.
It's been really inspiring actually. It started making me think differently about our property investment journey.
I really enjoy turning up every Saturday, having a yarn, listening to what the team's been up to, and maybe asking a few questions and learning stuff. I can't think of many Saturdays that have gone past where I haven't learned something new.
What I like about here is we have the weekly catch-ups. I think that's really important.
And I think the workshop taught me exactly the goal I wanted, and then with that goal I knew exactly how I need to build my portfolio, and I think the workshop really helped me to understand, okay, this is my goal, this is the property I need to buy, and then this is going to help me get to it,